Hey guys, so I got these Crocs here. Look how dirty they are. We went to the beach, so they got stained with the sand. And I wanted to test out different ways to clean them. So you can see that's white. The strap is like super white, but the actual shoe is super dirty. So I'm going to start off by cleaning one of them with some Dawn soap. That's going to be the first test. So this is how they look. And I'm just going to put some Dawn on a sponge that I don't use for my dishes. Don't use the same sponge that you use for your dishes to do this, guys. I have a sponge that I use to clean stuff that are not dishes, so that's what I'm using here. So I just scrubbed it all over, all the spots that I know are dirty, the bottom and the inside. I scrubbed them for about a minute or two. And then I just let them sit there for about 5 minutes. And as you can see, some of the dirt is already coming off, which is pretty amazing. I know Dawn works for a lot of things. I know I use it for a lot of things. So I put more of that little bubble soap in there. I washed my hands and I let them sit there for about 5 minutes, like I said. I came back and washed off all that soap. And look at these results, guys. Most of it is gone. I can still see a little bit of the yellow in the bottom of the shoe, but look at the difference. The before and after. It already looks super, super good. So I went on ahead and did it one more time just because I wanted to get them to be more white. So I did scrub it for like about a minute one more time, and then I let them sit there for about 5 more minutes. So in total, like 10 minutes of sitting there with the soap. And then I washed my hands. I came back and I washed off all that soap one more time. And look at the results, guys. I mean, it came out so good. I love the results that Dawn gave me. Look at that. Super, super white, like if they were brand new. So, the before and after. So far I'm loving the Dawn results, and I wanted to try another hack that I saw, which was using baking soda. So I went on ahead and put the baking soda on the actual shoe, and then I added a bit of water to make it a mixture. Rubbed it all inside the shoe, in the bottom of the shoe. I made sure the baking soda mix was spread evenly all around the shoe. I added more baking soda, so it could be enough for the whole shoe. As you can see, I'm spreading it all over the back. It was really, really dirty. And then I let it sit there for about almost 10 minutes so it can take in all that baking soda. So after that, I washed my hands and I came back and look at the shoe. So I can still see those stains. So I decided to go in with the sponge and scrub it with that mixture that it had already. I did end up adding more baking soda and scrubbing it with the sponge to see if it could help. It did take off some stains, but I could still see more of that yellow, stains from the sand. It did not give me the same results that the Dawn did. I can definitely tell you that, because I could still see the stains inside the shoes. You can see they're all the way in there. I could still see it. Look at the difference of the Dawn and then the baking soda. So overall, I would really recommend doing the Dawn cleaning method. As you can see here, for the one with the baking soda, I did end up going in with more Dawn and cleaning that shoe with it, and obviously it did work. So I would recommend for everybody to do the Dawn cleaning method. That is the one that seemed to work, and that is the one I would recommend. Yes, the baking soda did take off some stains, but overall you could still see it. So go with the Dawn, and now you know how to clean your Crocs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.